Like 40 up, like.
Staple. So we out here. This is what Walker Street looked like in the daytime. So is it up that way more on Beach Road? This is what it looked like in the daytime. They're doing work, construction. Not going far, my friend. Look at that, cannabis infused smoothies, teas, ice cream. That's crazy. THC, CBD, green hulked out, and the Hulk right across from the thing. Be careful. Be careful, Miss Lady. He said I look good. He said you look good.
He said you both look good.
Oh, both look good. All right. Thank you. Hey, doggy. I didn't know what he said though.
He said you look good.
We both look good together. Oh, okay. Look at that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Capone Pop. Oh, this is it right here, huh? Pattaya Beer Garden, open every day. And you just hit that quick left. I didn't know what was going on.
Yes, that's why I don't know what to do. I'm drinking first and go inside.
No.
You want to drink first?
It's early. I want food. I'm barely doing this. Pick our seat, Miss Lady. By the water. Yeah, we don't want to be directly in the sun. I don't need a bigger tan.
Well, just the outside of the mask I'm protected, but when I
Maybe here. Oh, here, yeah. Not quite the sun, but away from now. No. Here. Where? I don't want to be in the sun though. It's too hot. Yeah. You know, I don't want my back to the.
You can see right here. You can see.
Yes.
Everything like this.
I can see everything good. It's the Pattaya side. Thank you. Oh.
water? You want water for it?
Yes. You know, when I first came, my good friend, he took me for a walk. We walked all the way over there to that last building way over.
I like to walk too.
No, that was no good for me. That was too much. That was too much. I like to walk, not that was too far. Over there, that nigga Robert took me way, we literally, now I'm looking at it, we really went to the very end and then back. That, no wonder why that shit took like 3 hours. That shit's crazy, bro. I walked the motherfucker. I walked to Sacramento, bro. Nah. From Beach Road. You literally walked that whole circle to that end and then back. Last night. That's too far. Yeah. You see how far that is?
Yeah, I know.
You like to walk that far? Way over there?
I told you someone like walk.
Oh, no.
But really fast up there.
Yeah, that's why you got good legs. Your legs, good, strong legs.
You see, I have, yes.
Yes, you like to.
Thank you so much. You have my legs strong.
You have strong legs.
Thank you so much for that. So sweet of you. They have good menu in here, not this.
They good menu. They do have good menu. I don't know. Damn, I'm in the shade and I'm kind of hot. Golly. Southeast Asia, boy.
Oh, you want to sit right here? You see the view?
No, I'm okay. I'd rather have my back to the seat and my back to the wall, to the door.
Okay.
So this is called the Beer Garden, right? Pattaya Beer Garden. I'm gonna show you the menu so you can look at the prices. Because obviously I'm not gonna order everything on here. I hope this is showing.
The New York restaurant, they're not open yet. Right?
Yeah, I like the New York, but it's not open.
Yeah, I don't know. Is they open?
I doubt. I don't know. Do they?
If they open, we can go eat today.
Nah. We can do here. This chick. Beer burger. Mixed grill. Stir fry.
I don't want to feel guys. Nó có khá bảo.
Em xong cung lứ nó bạt á.
Nó cung kìa. Nó có khá bảo.
You can stir fry?
Yeah, like a soup. I eat with the rice.
You always get something like that.
It's good for my body.
Good for your body?
I'll go to the bathroom and be right back.
Okay. Let's try.
Fish and chips.
Yes, fish and chips.
Oh my God.
And boom, we're back. She did a magic change. She did a magic change. They get fans here. See they fan. It's hot right now. We in the shade. And the sun is kind of low. Yeah. This side. Nice.
Cool.
Yeah. Is it good?
Yes. No spicy at all.
Not spicy at all?
But look like spicy.
It looked like, yeah, it looked very spicy. Like you?
Thank you so much. That's not my bad.
All right.
You go so too.
จับมือพี่ทำไมอะทำไมถึงไม่จับเขา
Kapung cup.
Just like
Mango. Pineapple? That's pineapple.
no watermelon. That's pineapple with ice cream. That's why they come like that.
Pineapple with ice cream.
Yes.
But I asked for mango with ice cream though.
They just come like that.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Yes. Good.
Life too short, have to be happy.
Life too short, have to be happy.
Yes.
What's wrong with YouTuber?
I cannot take it. I just take that. I cannot see that.
Right?
Have to be happy.
Have to be happy.
Find someone that you want to be with.
Yes.
Yes.
I thought this was straw. This ain't nothing. It's just decoration.
That's right.
Decoration. This is a straw.
Good. You want to try mine?
And that's real talk.
Yes, real talk.
The power of editing. I'm going to edit. You just say it again. When I say and that's, you say real talk. Okay? Okay. And that's
Real talk.
real talk. That's right.